there! Welcome to our cozy library setting. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into the wild and intriguing world of Friedrich Nietzsche. Philosophy really challenges our perspectives on life. Think of it as a mental workout, but don't worry, we'll keep it nice and easy. So have you ever pondered what truly gives life meaning?
I guess I've thought about that a bit. But honestly, I always end up confused. What about you? Did Nietzsche have anything specific to say on that?
Absolutely. Nietzsche, born in 1844, penned transformative texts like Thus Spoke Zarathustra and Beyond Good and Evil. He passionately questioned existence and our life's paths. Imagine him saying, "Hey, forge your own identity." Think about those moments when you feel confined by society's expectations.
Right. That sounds, liberating, actually. But how does that all work in real life? Can you give me an example?
For sure. Here's a little story. Young Nietzsche was a bright student who left a secure teaching position to pursue his dreams in writing. A true leap of faith. Just think about that. What's one choice you could make to be more true to yourself?
Wow, that's super brave. I'm over here just deciding what I want for lunch sometimes. But, is that what you mean by the will to power you mentioned earlier?
Exactly. The will to power is one of Nietzsche's core ideas. It's this internal drive we all share to grow and overcome challenges. It's not about dominating others, it's about mastering yourself. Think of it as learning a new skill, purely driven by that inner fire pushing you forward.
That's like a really cool way to look at it. So can anyone tap into that inner drive? Is there a trick to it?
Well, it all starts with awareness and making conscious choices. The Times Übermensch, asterisk, another of Nietzsche's ideas, embodies someone who creates their own values and lives purposefully. Imagine chasing your dreams against all odds. Now that's the spirit of the asterisk Übermensch.
Oh, okay. And didn't he also say something provocative, like, God is dead? What did he mean by that?
Ah, yes. That's one of Nietzsche's most famous lines. When he says, God is dead, he's symbolizing the decline of traditional beliefs. It's a call to create your own meaning and purpose. Think of it as being handed the keys to your own castle. Imagine the power of deciding what that place looks like.
Whoa, that's, pretty intense. So he's basically saying there's no ultimate guidebook for life, right?
Exactly. It may sound daunting, but it's also liberating. He introduces the concept of eternal recurrence. Imagine living your life over and over, like a time loop. Sounds wild, doesn't it? How would that influence your choices?
I think I'd probably second-guess a lot of my choices. Like, would I want to eat that extra slice of pizza if I had to relive that moment forever?
Haha, exactly. This leads us to another powerful idea. Amor Fati, asterisk meaning, love your fate. Quote, Nietzsche encourages you to embrace everything life throws your way. Instead of resisting challenges, think, this is mine to grow from. Quote, it's about finding strength in adversity.
Wow, that's a totally different way of thinking. How do we apply that in our everyday lives?
He contrasted Time's master morality with slave morality. Master morality thrives on creativity and independence, while slave morality is rooted in fear. The key is to act from a place of strength and confidence.
I see. So, it's, like, about breaking free from those limits society places on us? That's fascinating.
Exactly. Nietzsche believed in asterisk perspectivism. This means everyone sees reality through their unique lenses. By considering different viewpoints, we cultivate understanding, like trying on someone else's glasses for a day.
That sounds intriguing. I wonder if that could clear up a lot of misunderstandings we see today. So, is there a balance between the chaotic and the orderly in Nietzsche's philosophies?
Great question. Nietzsche appreciated the Dionysian spirit, filled with chaos and creativity, and the Apollonian order, which symbolizes calm and structure. To find true fulfillment, you need to engage with both sides of your nature. It's a dance of sorts.
Wow, I'm, kinda mind blown right now. So in a nutshell, it seems Nietzsche is all about creating our ultimate life.
Absolutely. As we wrap up, remember the heart of Nietzsche's teachings. Be yourself, embrace your fate, and create your values. Don't just conform. Be the artist of your life.
Love that. I'm definitely taking that to heart. Literally. What a journey tonight.
I know, right? As these thoughts linger with you, let them inspire you as you drift into sleep. Sweet dreams, my friend.
Sweet dreams.